Alright, good morning guys. We're welcome back to the channel. We're about to head out and do another adventure. This time we're going to explore a lot more of the Trent Canal here in Ontario. Trent Severn Waterway as it's also known as, and there's a V on my thing. So we're actually starting at lock 37 or just above lock 37, and our goal is to try and get as far down the Trent towards Peterborough, Ontario as we can. If we make it to Peterborough, that's amazing, but we're just doing a one day there, camp overnight somewhere, and then head back. So we'll just see what we get up to. So come along for the ride and let's see what we get going. Let's go. That's cool, going under those bridges like that. So just continuing on down the river. Like I said, we're in one of those 10 kilometer an hour zones, so we can't really go too fast, but it's beautiful to look at. So let's keep going and see what we find. Ladies and gentlemen, nature. There's a beaver dam in here. The Trent Severn Waterway has been built by beavers. News at 11. Look, this beaver even has a garden. Look at that, he's got flowers on his house. Well done, beaver. This is like so Canadian right now. Anyways, time to rip down this canal here. Oh, nope, I see a 10K sign, so this is going to be slow. So, made it through a couple of the open lakes already. We're about to come into one of these 10K zones, so a little time lapse for you. So we're at the Kirkfield lift lock, so we're going to go up there. They had a bit of a delay because they had an issue with one of their pumps on the other side there, which you can't really see. I don't know why I lifted up to it. So we're going to be the first run to see if this thing works. So this may be the last entry of this fall. But if not, let's see what happens. Anyways, here we go. Alright guys, well we made it out of that little bit of canal. We've made it to Balsam Lake now. We've also run into a tad bit of rain. Just adding to the adventures and stuff like that. So we're gonna rip across this. We're probably gonna get soaking wet, but hey, part of the adventure, right? Anyways, let's keep going on this thing and see. Like you can see, there's rain all over there, some rain over this way. There's a boat over there. I don't know if there might be a little bit more behind us. Hopefully it's just ripping through quick and then we should have some sun this afternoon. So anywho, let's keep going and see what we get. Guys, just through lock 35, 32, some number like that. Anyways, just opening up. We're gonna head out, so the adventure continues. Oh, and guess what? The rain is coming back now. Terrific. I know I'm gonna get rain on the lens, but let's film for a little bit here, right? Hasn't rained all freaking week. Second I want to go out, a little bit of rain. The weird thing is that we were looking at the radar and this doesn't even show up on the radar. It's messed up. So, anywho, what can you do? What are we doing? Speed? I don't know. 7. There we go. So there I just engaged my cruise control speed. So as you can see, I'm not on the trigger, yet we're still doing a set speed of 10 kilometers an hour because that's what you're allowed to do in here. So anyways, the rain is coming down. I gotta save this camera so it doesn't get too soaking wet. All right guys, well we made it to the Fenelon Falls, walk 34. The rain is still coming down. It's not as heavy as it was a few minutes ago, so I haven't really recorded too much because of that, but this is the look we're looking at. There's the fall right. A little bit of traffic, so we're actually going to go below the bridge there. So we're just waiting for a couple more boats to get in, and then we'll start dropping us down. Ladies and gentlemen, there's Fenelon Falls. Cool little waterfall to see there. Alright, we're gonna keep going. The rain is starting to let up, so hopefully things will get better. But there's Fenelon Falls, Ontario. Nice beach over there. A little water fountain and everything. So we've made our way all the way to Bobcaygeon now. So just pulling in here. I think we're gonna. lot of boat traffic in here, so I might not talk too much here. So let me just see what we're doing. But yeah, made it into Bobcaygeon. Very cool. Alright guys, well, we made it to lock 31. We're already making our way down. Just stopped and had a little bit of lunch, which was nice. Nice burger for lunch, because why not? And right now we're just talking to the lockmaster, and he doesn't think the way the day's going, at the time of the day, we won't make it down to Peterborough. So we're going to try and take his advice, and we'll probably be stopping at Lakeview. And calling it a night there. So everyone has 5 more locks from here, so we should be able to make that pretty good. 4 or 5 locks. But anyway, we're gonna keep going, see what we get to. The good news is at least the sun's kind of come out now, so we're not dealing with rain as much as we were, so that's a plus. Anyways, let's have a look down here. Well, we made it through another lock. I believe that's either lock 28 or 29. I'll put a note of it in the video, of course. But making our way.
Everywhere you go, light follows.
Alright, so we've made it into the last lock that we're going to go through tonight, which is lock 27. So we're going to stop at around lock 26, which is just outside of Peterborough. We didn't quite make it all the way to Peterborough, but what can you do? We ran into a little bit of trouble at one of the locks. It took us about an hour to get through because they were having some mechanical issues. But the rest of them have been great, so great staff. Has been enjoyable to go through. So we're just making our way down on this last lock. We're going to head out, get to the next one, and then look for a little place to camp for the night, and then head back tomorrow. Do it all again just the other way. So we got the Navi on. Just helps because I guess you get into some of these back channels and stuff like that. It's just better to make sure you know where you're going so you don't get turned around over there. So anyways, we're gonna make our way down. Chat with you in a bit.